Hello everyone. So in this tutorial, I want to show you how to publish your custom GPT that you created in ChatGPT, how to make it public. As you can see, I made this personal GPT for writing SEO blog content, and you can see the visibility. It's only for those with the link. So I want to make it public so that everyone can use this GPT for free. So first and first, to access your GPTs, you can go to settings here. You click on my GPT, and then you see all your GPT. So let's get right into it. Now, for me to change this, first of all, I'll click on this little pencil to edit my GPT. So I'll click on this. Great. Now I don't want to change anything here. Just want to make this public, so I have no business here. So I'll just head right here to make this public. Click on this share button, and then I'll click on GPT Store, and then you select the category. You select the category you want to actually make this tool to appear. So I'll leave it at writing. Then I'll click save. And that's it. Our tool is public. As you can see here, it is now for everyone. Uh, just refresh this, and you see our tool is for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like, comment, and give us a share. Thank you.